Hi Todd, I'm going to re-upload the site. I fixed it, but there's a couple of major, well, there are major things because it sort of got knocked out of place. In the menu side, right down the bottom, we have this script and then this div container. The script, not so important. The div container, hugely important. What the script does, it allows you to use the Spry menu bar widget. Okay, so you can actually update your pages through the widget that's included. Just click the Spry menu bar and it shows up down here in the properties window. But more importantly, this div class here, that clears the container. So on your pages, there it is right there. Your search listing, once Numo is installed to your server and active, then the search listing will pick up and it'll show the information there as well as the login box down below. Now your recent tweets, I've rewritten this page completely, this library page, so that the actual text shows up properly as a heading and the iframe here shows up. And you didn't actually need, I'm going to show you the page here, you just needed an H3 tag at the top, the A link, that's the actual thing that loads into the page. That's this actual thing in here, this box, right? And then down here I pulled out the table altogether, and the script doesn't require anything. It's just a script, right? So it loads in right after the data widget right here. So basically think of the data widget as an iframe, because that's what it is. You're actually loading in from this page here an iframe. So if I did a view or inspect element with Firebug, let's just take a look at what it does here. Here's the what's new box. That's the box one, and then we have there's the heading right there for the recent tweets. If you can sort of see it here, I can hover over it, and right below it, when I see this iframe, what an iframe does is it loads in information from another website. And if we look over here for the style of this iframe, maximum width, minimum height, minimum width, things like that, these are all things that you can't control, right? But it actually does have a height in here, and it sort of keeps that box open without you having to manually type one in there. So anyways, those things are sorted out. I'm going to FTP them back up to your server if you want to download that and update your local copy.